Listen up, you donkey! Welcome to From Farm to Plate, where we're diving headfirst into the heart of 10 incredible international dishes. We're not talking about some amateur hour slop, we're going straight to the source to understand what makes these dishes sing. Forget the fancy plating and the Michelin stars for a minute. We're getting our hands dirty, exploring the key ingredients that make these plates pop. We're talking about the farms, the farmers, the traditions, the bloody passion that goes into every ingredient. You with me? Let's get this show on the road. Sushi, you say? Don't even get me started on those soggy, sad excuses for sushi I've seen. Real sushi, the kind that makes your palate sing, starts with the fish. And not just any fish, mind you. We're talking about the freshest catch, handled with the respect it deserves. It's about sustainable fishing practices, making sure we're not serving up the last bloody fish in the ocean. We'll be on the docks at the crack of dawn, talking to the fishermen who risk their necks to bring in the good stuff. You'll see how they select the fish, how they handle it, the whole 9 yards. This isn't some supermarket pre-packaged rubbish. This is the real deal.
Exactly. The sea gives us its best, and we must honor that gift. Every fish we catch, we handle with care and respect, ensuring that our practices keep the ocean thriving for generations to come.
Paella's got more soul than a Spanish flamenco, and at the heart of it all is saffron. This isn't just some yellow dust you sprinkle about, you hear me? Saffron is a spice worth its weight in gold, and we're going straight to the source in Spain to see why. You'll witness the back-breaking work that goes into harvesting these delicate threads, the generations of farmers who've poured their lives into this crop. We'll learn how saffron not only flavors the paella, but also sustains entire communities. Tacos, the heart and soul of Mexican cuisine. But forget those greasy, store-bought tortillas, we're going back to the basics. Corn. In Mexico, corn isn't just an ingredient, it's a way of life, a story passed down through generations. We'll meet the farmers who still use traditional methods, grinding the corn by hand, forming those tortillas with love. You'll feel the history, the culture, the sheer bloody passion in every bite. Chapter 4, Ratatouille, a symphony of vegetables.
Ratatouille. It's not just a Pixar film, you know. This dish is a celebration of fresh, vibrant vegetables, and you better believe we're going all in on organic.
We're talking about sun-drenched fields farmers who care about the land and flavors that will knock your socks off. This is about more than just taste. It's about respecting the ingredients, treating them right, and letting them shine. Chapter 5, Pad Thai, the Tamarind Tango. Pad Thai, the king of Thai street food, and the secret ingredient, tamarind. This tangy, sour fruit brings the dish to life. But it's not as simple as squeezing a lemon. We're journeying to the heart of Thailand to see how tamarind is cultivated, the care that goes into every pod. You'll learn how to extract its essence, how to balance its flavors, and how it elevates Pad Thai to legendary status. Chapter 6, Pizza Margherita, the Tomato Throne.
Pizza margherita, a classic for a reason, but we're not talking about some doughy, greasy mess. This is about perfection, starting with the San Marzano tomato.
These babies are the royalty of the tomato world, grown in the volcanic soil of Italy. We'll be right there in the fields, learning the art of cultivating these beauties, the dedication it takes to produce such intense flavor. Chapter 7, Biryani, the Basmati Boom. Biryani, a symphony of flavors and aromas, and at its heart lies basmati rice. This isn't some clumpy, tasteless mush, no sir. Basmati rice is revered for its aroma, its delicate texture, and we're going straight to the source in India to see why. We'll meet the farmers who've dedicated their lives to cultivating this special rice, learn the ancient techniques that give it its unique character. Chapter 8, Kimchi, the Napa Cabbage Comeback. Kimchi, the fiery, funky soul of Korean cuisine. We're talking fermented goodness, and it all starts with Napa cabbage. This isn't your average salad filler, this is about tradition, about transforming a humble ingredient into a flavor powerhouse. We'll delve into the art of fermentation, the patience required to create that perfect balance of spicy, sour, and umami. Get ready to have your taste buds tingling. Chapter 9, Moussaka, Eggplant Extravaganza. Moussaka, a Greek classic that's more than just layers. We're talking about eggplant, glorious eggplant, taking center stage. But forget those oily, mushy disasters. We're going to the sun-drenched hills of Greece to find the perfect eggplant, grown with care and bursting with flavor. We'll learn the secrets to cooking it to perfection, achieving that melt-in-your-mouth texture that'll have you saying, Opa! Chapter 10. Feijoada, the black bean bonanza. Feijoada, the national dish of Brazil, a hearty stew that's got it all. And at the heart of this flavor bomb, black beans. We're talking about beans with attitude, cooked low and slow to unlock their rich, earthy depths. We'll be in the fields of Brazil, learning about the cultivation of these magical beans, the impact they have on local communities. This isn't just about food, it's about culture, history, and a whole lot of heart. So there you have it, you bunch of hungry learners. We've gone from farm to plate, explored the ingredients, met the passionate souls behind the food, and hopefully you've learned a thing or two. Remember, a great dish is more than just what's on the plate. It's a story, a journey, a celebration of culture and flavor. Now go out there, find those amazing ingredients, and create something bloody delicious. And don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures.